Hey guys! In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best LED headlight bulbs you can buy right now. After lots of research and testing, I've picked the best options for different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or specific features, I've got you covered. All product links are in the description below, updated with the best deals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's jump right in. Number 5. NOVSIGHT H7 LED Headlight Bulbs. At number 5, we have the NOVSIGHT H7 LED Bulbs. These are super bright, putting out 15,000 lumens with a 6500K cool white color, perfect for clear night driving. Thanks to the ultra-thin chip design, you get a perfect beam pattern with no black spots or fogginess. Installation is super easy. It's the same size as halogen bulbs and fits right into your socket. No extra adapters needed. Plus, the built-in cooling fan and aircraft-grade aluminum body give these bulbs a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. They're also IP68 waterproof, so they'll work in rain, snow, or fog without issues. One thing to note, some vehicles might need an extra decoder, so check your car's manual before buying. Number 4, Fahren Ursprung 2024 LED Bulbs. Coming in at number 4 is the Fahren Ursprung 2024 H7 LED Bulb. These bulbs are 600% brighter than halogens, offering up to 24,000 lumens and a 6500K white color for crystal clear visibility. No adapter or external driver is needed. Just plug and play. Installation takes less than 3 minutes. They feature 8 CSP chips on both sides, giving you a perfect beam with no dark spots or shadows. The high-speed cooling fan and aviation aluminum design help them last over 60,000 hours. And they're IP68 waterproof for any weather condition. These bulbs work with 99% of vehicles, but again, some models may require a decoder. Number 3 is SEALIGHT H7 LED Bulbs. Number 3 is the SEALIGHT H7 LED Bulbs. These are designed for superior brightness, giving you 14,000 lumens per set. That's 400% brighter than halogens. With a 6500K cool white light, you'll get better night visibility with a clean beam pattern and no glare. They're compact, driverless, and fit directly into your factory socket. No adapters needed. Durability-wise, they last up to 50,000 hours, thanks to their aluminum build and silent turbofan. Plus, they're compatible with 97 front of vehicles. And if you have any issues, SEALIGHT has solid customer support. Number 2, Nilight 9007 LED Headlight Bulbs. At number 2 is the Nilight 9007 LED Bulbs. These are 5x brighter than stock halogens, reaching up to 4,500 lux per bulb, with a 6500K cool white output. They offer an extended lighting distance and strong penetration so you can spot signs and obstacles early. Their ultra-thin copper board helps reduce glare, giving you a cleaner and wider field of view. Installation is a breeze. They're the same size as halogens and fit 99% of vehicles. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum and a 12,000 RPM turbofan, these bulbs last over 50,000 hours. They're also IP67 waterproof, so no worries in bad weather. Number 1, Fahren 9007 LED Headlight Bulbs. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Fahren 9007 LED Bulbs. These offer 20,000 lumens per pair, 6500K white color, and are 6 sig brighter than stock halogens. Installation is fast. No extra drivers or bulky parts. Just plug and play in under 10 minutes. They give off a perfect beam pattern with no dark spots or glare, thanks to their ultra-thin chip design. With aviation-grade aluminum, a silent 18,000 RPM fan, and copper cooling, these bulbs last over 60,000 hours. They're compatible with 99% of vehicles, but check your model first to see if a decoder is needed. So there you have it, the top 5 best LED headlight bulbs you can buy right now. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to get, or if you're already using one of these. Tell us your experience. All product links are in the description below, with the latest prices. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next